This is the truck. So right where those two exhaust brackets are, that's where we want to mount the blower. And then using your flex pipe, rubber pipe, run it right where that exhaust pipe is, around behind the battery pack, and mount the exhaust here. So that's, so you're gonna have blower there where the brackets are, exhaust there. So if the blower is mounted right here, the drive shaft is right there. So the shaft would basically be from my phone to that. That's probably 3 feet right there. We will remove that exhaust pipe so it's not in your way and send the truck over that way. But there's open space to install it. And that's a, I believe a 1410 off the back of that. You guys just did a silver day cab for me with the same PTO.